everybody, and welcome back to Caldera Creation. My name is Roxanne, and today we got a beauty going on today. We are working with our 24-inch Wreath. We are working with a bunch of beautiful different flowers, Easter-looking flowers. We got some of these lamb ears. We got some of these sorted ones. We also are working with a sorted of some Easter eggs. We also got this beauty, which I attached together and put on a bow. We also got some of these beauties, kind of pinkish colored ones. And we got a 109-inch pink, not wired ribbon. And with that said, let's get this started. We are going to do our loops, everybody. We are going to do our 12-inch loops. I'm just so happy to be here. I just got back and I'm ready to roll. Okay, I got that. The other 12-inch. Yep, 12-inch. Bam. Get one here. How's everybody doing today? Let's get that smile on. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. We're going to get this here. I got my little pinpoints I'm working with. Bam, and attach. Bam. There we go. Excuse me, beautiful flowers, but you guys got to move over there. Ooh, look it. Okay. Got this going. Now we're going to go down. Get that pinned in better right here. Okay, now we're going to go down and we're going to do 2 more loops again. We got the loops going on. 12-inch loops. Another one here. Get that going right here. Ooh, okay. Now, got to get this one going in here. This Wreath is, like I always say, so good to work with. There we go. Now we're going to go down. And we're going to get 2 more. Yes, 2 more loops. 12-inch loops. 1. 1. And 2. I think these are kind of little ones. What did I do? Okay. We got it. I think we're going to do 1. Yeah, not 2. 1 kind of big one. We got this. And get this and attach it right here. We got that. There we go. Okay, how's that looking? Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Now we're going to get our greenery in. We're going to work with these guys. These lambs. These lambs' ears. They're so beautiful. Especially these I got with the berries. Let's get some up here. Well, let's go the flow of the way of the how it's going to do them backwards, but one underneath each other. Here we go. We got it. Right here. Stick this all under here and hide that. Bend it to go. Gonna get another one. I'm going to use this small one kind of over here because we need some over here. Balance the items out and get this going good. Here's another. I think I'll get this guy. It's pretty right in here. Ooh, right there. Hide these under there and just move along with them. And got this gun right here. Okay, now we gotta get some more going up in here. How many do we have? I gotta think what I'm really working with. Okay, yeah, now we gotta get this. We're just gonna glide it through here. Work and weave your items through your ribbons. And attach right here. Wow, okay, now we're gonna get another one. Ooh, go get this one right here. There we go. Got this going here. Bam, look at that. Wow, okay, we're going to get some florals in here. Let's hold up on these. Well, I'm going to put, excuse me. I'm going to get these florals. Yes, indeed. Let's get these out of the way. Okay. Ooh. Let's get these beautiful purples going on. Yes, indeed. These are so pretty. I bought them in a whole bundle. Yes, it's good to buy the things in the whole bundle. So you get more and you could work with more. See, they even got different, some with, these are so pretty. Some with some bees, some, what do you call them? Berries. Oh, I just love these mixed with this color. Look how beautiful that is. See, they got all sorts of kind mixed on in with them. Got that going. Okay. Let me see. Let's get this right here. Ooh. I'm just so happy to come in here and do the video. Yes, indeed. I just got back from my center. Oh, I had so much fun today. We did. Okay, let me see. I think I'm going to get some florals right in here. We got to get the purple. It's just so beautiful. Okay, let's get this and kind of get it so I can... Ay, 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 my little flower fell off. We got it. No worries. Pull it up there. Okay, how's that, everybody? Now we're going to get some of these. It's just working a variety of different colors and balancing them out. You know, I think I got to step back and visualize. Kind of short, but hey. Go on my tippy toes to see it. This thing goes tucked in there. It's kind of too much going on right there. There. Okay, let's get some more of these. Look at this. Oh, yeah, I think I'm going to get a bigger, fuller one right here because we got a lot of space going on. Get that in there like that. Look at that. Wow, how gorgeous. And I think we're going to get more right here. So what's going on out here? Let's see what's going on out here. Is there anything going here? There. Got that. Okay, we got one more. Let's see. Let's get this down here. Now let's get a little bit of this kind of green on. Get something going on. Get some fill here, a little different darker color to mix with our other colors. How does that look? And right here, we'll get some more right in here. Just a little dab of some little color. There. Oh, wow. Okay, I think we're going to get a little dab up in here. Let's pick up the leaves and get these tucked up in there. Look at that. Hey, so beautiful. I got this. Oh, here's some more right here. Ay, 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 I'm just dropping things. No, this green is going to go and come in here. That. That, okay. Now, how is that, everybody? Woo, so beautiful. Okay, I think I need some more of these right here to cover up some of this. How's it looking, everybody? Is this a pretty one? Thumbs up, or just leave a comment, or just subscribe. Oh, I want to thank much appreciation to all your subscribers. Wow, my channel, and viewers, my channel is growing, and much thanks to all you guys for enjoying my videos and subscribing. Thank you much. Thank you. Okay, well, we got so much going in here. We are going to get these little carrots, which I purchased at Walmart, and I just put them together, put a little bow. I'm going to get these right up in here. Let's get these in there. Tied up in there with the rest of there. Wow, we got that going. Kind of covers up these purples. Ooh. Okay, we got that. There, how's that looking? Okay, now let's get our eggs. Look, different color eggs, huh? Get some blue over in here, turquoise-ish kind of. Get this one, balance these colors out because some more up here. Get another yellow one. Okay, we got one more purple right here. Let me see. The other video I seen, I didn't let everybody see my carrots on that one. Okay, look at these beauties. We're gonna get these all up in here. This is gonna really just bring our little wreath out. Just the different colors could do for your wreath, and ooh, so beautiful. Hey, this is just one stem. Look at this. Okay, gonna take you out, and I'm gonna put this one in there. This tucked in there. Okay, look at that. Wow, and then we're gonna get one more up in here. Excuse me, guys, make room for. There. Wow, how beautiful that is, everybody. It is. Okay, look at that. What's this? I got some, I don't know what this is too, but I'll put it in here. It's part of these other flowers. Okay, let's puff these up and get these beauties going. Uh-oh. Tuck this stuff in there. Look at how gorgeous this is, everybody. Wowie, wowie, wowie. There. There we go. Okay. Wow, these beautiful colors. So I got my ducktail, yes. Okay, everybody. Woo. I think we got it. We do got it. Okay, let me set it up and let's show you what we all made today. Oh, wow, this is pretty. There's some more of this. Let's get some of this going on up here. There. Okay. And here we go. The final. Once again, thank you guys for coming to my channel. If you got any inspiration or ideas or just enjoyed my video, consider subscribing. We got our Easter session going on, so we'll be making a lot more Easter things. I'm trying to get some ideas, but they're coming there. Okay, once again, happy day, and let's just be creative and woo! Use a variety of different items and colors and textures, and wow, you come out with the beauty. Everybody have a great day. Until the next video, see ya. Happy Easter.